Hi guys, so I'm back with my baby here at the Araneta Coliseum for the Game 2 of Ginebra versus San Miguel. So, I think this was a Friday and we got straight here from Quiapo Church. So, sumimba muna kami before heading here. So, ayan, warm up na before the start of the game. So, disclaimer, okay, wait, that's a kiss cam. Char, syempre nasa upper box na naman kami dahil laging sold out ang mga patrons. So, hindi kami maaabot nun. So, I have to do my own kiss cam. So, there's your Astig girls. I don't record them that much kasi nakaka-copyright ako dito sa YouTube with their music. So, again, disclaimer, I'm just doing this narration freely, how you call it. This is not at all scripted. While watching, I'm just trying to relieve the feeling, the experience, because this is a very intense game. This is the game na nag-OT. This is a game na, yeah, nanalo ang San Miguel. But it was a very, very good game. So, look at that crowd. 90% of it are Ginebra fans. Actually, sobrang saya pag umi-score ang Ginebra. Especially at the most crucial moments. Sobra yung sigaw, yung saya, yung tawanan. I don't know how to narrate this thing actually kasi I'm not a sports enthusiast. I don't know the players well. So, I just watch them and I'm in awe of how they're able to do that. Kasi ang galing. Okay, so ilan lang talaga yung kilala ko dito. Si Japet Aguilar, si Justin Brownlee, si Abarientos, just because I'm hearing their names repeatedly. But if you're gonna ask me about their track records, where they came from, how long they've been playing, I don't know, okay. And I'm not versed in the rules of the game, so yung mga technical foul, personal foul, I don't know about it. But it doesn't mean na hindi ako mag-enjoy watching a game like this and as intense as this. So, and given that I'm not magaling in this field, I can still be a fan, I can still cheer. So, actually, I never thought I would enjoy watching basketball game kasi alam niyo naman, girly-girly ang atin nyo. Puro art, music, pusa, casino things. I don't even bet. So, but I enjoyed the first game. It was surprising even to me. So, kaya ang saya. And I've looked forward to this game. So, kahit eventually natalo yung team ko, I enjoyed watching. Besides, may mga paganito silang eme during break time, half time, whatever. So, may mga games, may kiss cam, flex cam, guitar cam, may videoke, may pabazuka ng t-shirt. So, this is nice. And besides, I wanted to record the moments na magkasama kami kasi syempre for the LDR na naman kami next month. So ayan, may mga dance numbers to entertain the crowd. May popcorn na bibili mo ng 100 tapos maya-maya lang naglalako na yung 120 na mas malaki. Parang na-scam ako ng popcorn na 100. Charot. Parang pang-scam ni Taco Bell. Puro tinapay, wala halos nilaman. But that was during the first game. So, I remember back in the day that I love Taco Bell. Sorry Pero I love it, and I love burritos, I love tacos, and I loved it, but I don't know what happened kasi nung nanood kami ng game when it was still San Miguel versus Meralco, and we bought it, and we were so disappointed na hala, mas okay pa yung lumpiang toge sa kalye, mas marami pang nilaman eh. But anyway, so we're not gonna go back there. So on this game, sa popcorn ako na scam, char. But this game is so super enjoy. It's so giving. In fairness, lamang pang San Miguel niyan. So yeah, there is my baby. Hi baby. He doesn't like a lot of pictures or videos. Actually, it's not the pictures or the videos that he doesn't like. It's me posting it on social media. So he's like that. He's a private person. Ako lang yung makulit. Bakit ba? So, ayan. Tapos na ang halftime. Warm up na ulit. And let the games begin na, guys. Aba naman, char. So, hindi ko talaga actually alam kung paano ko tatapusin yung narration on this particular vlog, because I think this is about 17 minutes. So, I don't know what else to say, but here I am, talking. Ayan. Commercial muna. Kami muna. So, ayan na ulit, guys. Ang saya-saya lang din talaga panoorin to. Nakakadala yung cheering ng crowd, yung happiness, yung frustration whenever we miss the shot. So, if you'll notice, palaging Hinebra lang ang binibideo ko. Siyempre, shoot! Ay, wala. Oh, sige. Justin Brownlee!
That's his third. Second team foul for the period. One free throw by Ricardo.
Shoot, pero hindi niya ma-shoot. Oh, di ba hindi niya na-shoot? Charot. Luck is not on their side for this game. Actually, there are a lot of missed shots. Parang inalat, parang may baong asin ang San Miguel. Kasi ang daming mga tira na hindi pumapasok. I even have to delete some of the videos because it was frustrating to watch. Kasi ang dami talaga. O, diba? Tingnan mo naman yung saya ng crowd every time na mag-score ang Hinebra. So, lamang pa rin ang San Miguel dyan. So, by 5 points on the 4th quarter. This is a game well played, really. So, it was so intense. The crowd is roaring. So, I've grown watching basketball on the TV, pero live, this is just my second time. Ang saya niya talaga. Kahit andun kami sa taas. Shoot! O, diba, wala pa rin. Ang dami. na nasayang natira. So, it was frustrating. Diba? And pag feeling namin unfair yung tawag ng referee, everybody was booing. So, pag nag-boo sila, nakikibo na lang din ako. Char. Go, Japet! O, diba kahit malayo? Kitang-kita mo. Ang tangkad kasi niya. Grabe. Of course, it's a score. Okay. Let's get moving, you guys. Tapos mamaya makita nyo, yung minsanang binidyo ko yung San Miguel, yun yung naka 4 points pa sila. Shoot! Oh, diba? Look, ang saya-saya ng crowd for Ginebra. And it's a 97 all, you guys. So, diba? But as I've said, luck is not on their side. Sa gabing ito, you know, that's sports. You can't win at every game, but you can have fun. You can enjoy it. Shoot! Diba? That's me. The ay sayang part at the back. That's me. So, I think sa susunod, the title of my vlog will be Ginebra's Greatest Moments. Kasi sila lang talaga lagi yung binivideo ko. So, break time, the Astig Girls. Again, hindi ko sila binideo dahil nakaka-copyright ako sa music nila. Oh gosh! Look at that crowd! 4 points for Justin Brownlee. Galing, sobra. Galing. Oh, diba? Lamang na kami. 102.99. And actually, that's so deja vu. Kasi yan yung score ng manalo ang Ginebra sa semis on the game 6, which will be my upcoming video. 102.99. Panalo kami over San Miguel. So, really, this game is not so hard to watch kahit panalo sila on this game. Kasi eventually, we won. Diba? Favorite ko bang i-video ang free throw ni Japet Aguilar? Anyway, that's him again. So, have I elaborated how crazy this game is? This is so intense na hanggang pagpunta sa Oyster Boy and meeting a stranger, also a customer, yan pa rin yung pinag-uusapan. So, and then I noticed this two guys who sitting in front of me. Ang shirt niya, it's just a bad day, not a bad life. So, it's like, it's so giving na hindi kami banalo ngayong gabi. But, oh, di ba, pati yung baby kong ingay. And the other one's shirt is Don't Try Shabu. So, it's a 106, 104, and, di ba, feeling namin panalo na talaga kami. Look at that time naman kasi. Oh, and the score is 106, 104. And everybody is shouting defense, defense na. Kasi nga, akala namin 2-0 na to. But, anything can really happen habang nasa court pa. Nag-tie pa dahil kay CJ Perez. My gosh. He's such a good player. Nako, feeling ko hate ko na siya during this season. Pero 'di ba, binawi din ni Justin Brownlee. So now it's 108, 106. Is that? Ayan, ang saya na namin dyan talaga kasi akala namin panalo na kami. And yeah, this is the time na binidyo ko ang San Miguel, and look at what they're gonna do, guys. Grabe. Bihirang-bihira ko sila i-video. It's always Ginebra, but look at what they're gonna do. I hate you, San Miguel. That's 4 points, and that's CJ Perez. And really, ang sakit na sa tenga marinig yung pangalan mo, Char. At hindi ako basketball fanatic, pero nakakagigil din talaga. So now I think it's this is score 108-110. Nakaka-frustrate. Alam mo yung parang wala ng oras, wala na talaga. Pero ang dami pang nangyayari. Parang yung 20 minutes break mo sa work. Ang iksi-iksi lang nun, ang bilis-bilis lang nun, pero ang dami mong nagawa. Parang ganun din sa basketball. So, diba? Wala nang oras, 108-110. Kanina lamang na kami. Nakainis. So, kailangan ma-score to. I just can't imagine the pressure from the game itself, from your teammates, from the crowd, na mahabol to. Kasi kanina, parang panalo na kami dapat kanina eh. Tapos nahabol pa dahil sa 4 points si CJ Perez. Oh, di ba? Ang ingay ko. It's now 110-110 and it's an OT. OT na talaga. So here is the next 5 minutes. It was a very intense game. Grabe talaga. I feel like, you know, ang haba nung game, and grabe yung stamina ng mga players to be able to last this long of an intense game, tapos mag-OT pa, and it's like, what the, parang gusto mo na magpahinga, parang gusto mo na mag-clock out sa work, and then you have to extend for 5 more minutes. Tapos ayan, 114-112 in favor of Ginebra na, yung akala mo lamang na, but you know, the night was meant for San Miguel. But anyway, everybody enjoyed, I think. Shoot! Oh, guys, look at that crowd. Diba? Everybody was cheering for Ginebra. And everybody's happy for Ginebra every time na makascore. You know, sayang. Diba? Ang dami talagang hindi pumasok na tira nung gabi na to. But I'm not in the position to comment on anything. Diba, hindi ko talaga dapat binivideo yung San Miguel kasi nakakashoot sila. Oh, I thought this was just 17 minutes video, but it's now 19 minutes and I'm still talking. Diba, you know, sayang hindi pumapasok. I don't know if they're tired or pressured or frustrated na, or maybe halo-halo na and they just ran out of luck. But anyway, everybody enjoyed this game, and eventually after this game naman talagang chinorva na sila ng Hinebra. I think this game had a very big impact on the team. And talaga naman, they did a lot better after this. Win after win until they get to the finals. Kasi naman, bakit pink yung rubber shoes? Aray. I'm not actually sure if that's pink. I don't remember. So, parang na-notice ko ngayon na pink yung shoes niya. Diba? Ang galing-galing ng mga players. Diba? Bola ng San Miguel. Diba? In-injured niya pa yung sarili niya. And that's it. So, hindi kami nanalo. I did not record the score anymore because it's frustrating. So, Oyster na lang tayo and Dynamite and Hellboy chicken wings from the Oyster Boy. And that's all. Bye. Good night.